Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPhone and Apple ID so the App Store can be enabled immediately. First, make sure your device runs the latest iOS. Updates fix compatibility and security. Next, sign into your Apple ID under Settings. If you don't have one, create it and verify email. Once done, ensure a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and check date/time are set automatically. These steps guarantee authentication and network access before we move into enabling the actual App Store features. Now you enable the App Store and remove restrictions that block it. Go to Settings, open Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter a passcode if prompted. Make sure installing apps and in-app purchases are allowed under iTunes and App Store purchases, because restrictions can hide the App Store icon. Also open Settings App Store and enable Use Cellular Data if you need downloads without Wi-Fi. Finally, sign out and back into the App Store if the icon still won't appear to refresh permissions. Finish by confirming the App Store is visible and functional. Restart your iPhone to apply changes. Once done, look for the App Store icon on the home screen. If it's hidden in a folder or removed, use Settings General Reset Home Screen Layout to restore default placement. If you still can't access the store, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, reboot the device, then sign back in and attempt a small app download. This simple sign out/reboot often resolves permission and cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.